Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, it's a kind of bit of a celebration really, because now my channel is monetized, yes, since you guys got me to 1,000 subscribers. In fact, in the time of filming this, I'm at 1,844. So I just want to again thank you guys for all your support. And I thought this video we could look at what many small YouTube creators are thinking about, which is money. So we're going to look at what I've earned in Adsense revenue since being monetized. So let's just go. So as you can see, I've got my my analytics here, and we've got So since let's have a look. Let's change it. Right. So so basically, since my channel began on the 18th of January, I've had 193,298 views so far, and that's 14.3 thousand watch time hours, so thank you. And so far I've made £58.24. Not a lot. I understand why you're thinking that, but we're going to delve into why. So let's just have a look at revenue, and let's see how it broke down. So as you can see here, there's not a lot really to play with. So let's just go with the last 28 days. Yep, so as you can see, on one day I made £4.66, £7.96, almost £8 a day, £5.6 something, going up to £7 something. So that's the most I can earn a day, is almost £8. But for a while, on average, it was looking at like £6 a day, and then it kind of tapered off as there was a short period of time where I didn't post any new videos, and some other reasons why that we'll get into. So this is like my first video in a little while, so I apologise, but I am back, I promise. So let's have a look at this. Now you've got here the CPM, or clicks per mile, in other words clicks per, the money per 1,000 views that like the ads will pay YouTube, and then that's the CPM, which is at £4.16 on average for my channel. And RPM is revenue per mile. So the difference is the CPM is what the ads pay YouTube, and then the RPM is what when YouTube takes its cut away and you keep the rest. Now on here it says 37p. The reason for that is I've got a lot more views on my channel before I was able to be monetized. So my best performing video, my reaction to Surface Pressure from Encanto, that at the moment has like 50,000 views, over 50,000 views so far. And I've got some that's like 30,000 views, some are over 10. So I haven't earned a lot for the number of views that I've gotten, and I haven't had many big videos after I've been monetized. So that's why that number is so low. But on average, I'm imagining it's more like maybe like £2-ish. £2.50, that kind of number. So let's have a look at my videos that are earning me money. Okay, so as you can see here, we don't talk about Bruno. That video has made me the most money in this time period. It's earned me £22, which is very nice. And as you can see, I've got videos that earn me at £9, £6, £5, all the way down to 81 pence. So as you can see here, I've got 10 videos out of my 19 so far. So 10 out of my 19 videos are making me money. That's weird. Why only 10 out of 19? Let me show you why. So let's get out of this and let's go to content. Okay, so over here you've got my videos that I've got here, and you've got some bits and pieces of information. You know how many views they've got. Look at this one. At the moment, this is in order of views. Let's put this in order of date they were released. There we go. Right. Yep. So you can see here under the monetization, in the monetization column, that there's quite a few that say escrow, some that say monetization is on, some that say that this is ineligible. So let's go through what each of those means. Well, the first one is on. So if monetization is on, it means that these videos will have ads that pop up, and that will make me some money. So all the views that you guys, you know, so kindly give to me supports my channel. You know, it's completely free, but you guys do it, so thank you so much. But the problem is these bits on the right, that's a copyright claim. So obviously I have a lot of videos where I've reacted to certain performances from whoever. And whoever owns the rights to usually the music from that performance don't like it when you just put that in your videos. So there are times when there's nothing happens. So there's no copyright claim and it's fine. There are times when it might take a little while and then they'll go, oh actually, sorry, that isn't copyright, that's ours. And there's times where it's straight away, we don't want it blocked. So that has happened I think once, where they've been like, we don't want it even on YouTube at all. So that's happened. So some people have said, oh no, why does he pause the video so much, or why would he talk over the video so much? It's because I'm trying to, you know, escape copyright claims so I can earn money in my videos. As that supports the channel, it means I can do more of them and it's better for everybody. So what happens in the copyright claim is I can either leave it or I can dispute it. Now when I'm disputing it, YouTube will hold the money in escrow. So all of the videos that say escrow on them are where I've disputed the copyright claim and I've said, look, under the Fair Use Act, all I'm doing is reacting to them, giving my, you know, my vocal, you know, musical commentary or analysis or breakdown or whatever, and I don't intend to infringe copyright because I'm not saying that this, that the music or the video is mine, like it's not my original content. That has worked, I'm just waiting for the rest to do. Now, sometimes that works, and as you can see here, sometimes it does not. So sometimes the people will be like, the people who own the music will be like, no, 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 no. I understand that may be what you're doing, but it's our music and you can't use it. So unfortunately, I'm not able to monetize these videos. Now, my best performing video, my surface pressure video here, that is held in escrow. So the money it's been making for the past couple of weeks now, it's being held somewhere. So if I win the dispute, if they go, actually, never mind, you are just reacting to it, you can have the Adsense revenue, then I will get all of that in a lump sum and I'll keep earning money from that and it'd be great. If not, then they will get the Adsense money, which I suppose is fair enough, but it'd be nice for me to have it because I do a lot of commentary and I do pause the video a lot and I offer my input and so on. So yeah, that's why the number of views I've gotten and the money I've made don't quite match up. So I'm showing you this all because I'm a transparent person and I think there's a lot of people out there who are wanting to start YouTube channels and they want to know, well, if I'm just a small YouTube channel, how much money can I make? Like I said, there was a time where on average I was earning like £6 a day, so in a month that's £180 a month, which is fine, you know, that's £2,000 or so, which is over that, about £2,000 a year, which is okay money. But it's, you know, I obviously want to be able to make more, but make money in different ways. And it's good to make sure that you understand that that is usually the lowest income of most people on YouTube, most content creators. So it's not being so fixated on that number, thinking that, oh, well, if I'm not making a certain amount of money, I'm not successful on YouTube, so on and so on and so on. It's just, you know, it's just one of the revenue streams, and I thought that there aren't that many small YouTubers that share that with you guys, so I thought I would do that. So if you are thinking of making videos and that kind of thing, then, you know, my channel has been quite fortunate. I have quite a few views in not too long at all, but you know, that's the kind of things that can happen, and also the type of content as well. So if you are planning on using content that is not yours, just be aware that this can happen and you might limit the amount of money you can make per video. So in this channel, you know, in the future, I'm hoping to make a variety of content that will allow me to, you know, still make some money from this, but also making sure that I still do the reaction videos that I know you guys know and love and that I like doing, because you know, it's good to react to stuff. I like watching things. I like seeing how people perform. I like hearing how music is made and produced. So, you know, it's gonna be a nice mixture on this channel. I'm not just a reaction person. I do a bunch of things. But yeah, I just thought I'd share that with you guys because I thought that maybe someone out there might be interested to see how much very small YouTubers make. I hope you did like the video, guys. Let me know if you want to see more behind the scenes stuff, because I don't mind sharing that with you. But if you did like the video, make sure you click the like button, make sure you click subscribe so you know see more of me, and make sure you ring that notification bell so you never miss a new video. But until then, guys, bye!